Good morning students. Today I am going to teach you chapter 6 fractions. Now let us revise types of fractions. First, unit fractions. What is unit fractions? The fractions that have numerator as 1 are called unit fractions. The fractions that have numerator as 1 are called unit fractions. Numerator means this. न्यूमरेटर मीन्स ऊपर वाली साइड, लाइन के ऊपर वाली साइड को हम क्या कहते हैं? न्यूमरेटर. एंड नीचे वाली साइड को क्या कहते हैं? डिनोमिनेटर. सो द फ्रैक्शंस दैट हैव न्यूमरेटर एज 1 आर कॉल्ड यूनिट फ्रैक्शंस. फॉर एग्जांपल 1/2, 1/3, 1/4, 1/11, 1/15 and 1/9. So look at here, numerator is 1. So this is called unit fractions. Now next, proper and improper fractions. So first, proper fractions. The fractions in which the numerator is less than the denominators are called proper fractions. The fractions in which the numerator is less than the denominators are called proper fractions. For example, 1/2, 2/3, 3/4, 5/11, 7/15 and 9/19. So look at here, 1/2 means 1 is numerator and 2 is denominator. So 1 is less than 2 means numerator is less than denominator. So this is called proper fractions. Now next, improper fractions. The fractions in which the numerator is more than the denominator are called improper fractions. The fractions in which the numerator is more than the denominator are called improper fractions. For example, 3/2, 5/3, 7/4, 13/11 and 19/15. So look at here, numerator is 3 and denominator is 2 means numerator is more than the denominator. So this is called improper fractions. Now next, mixed fractions. What is mixed fractions? When we express a fractions as the sum of a whole and proper fractions, it is called mixed fractions. When we express a fractions as the sum of a whole and a proper fractions, it is called a mixed fraction. For example, 2 3/6, 7 3/4, 3 4/7, 7 2/5. This is called mixed fractions. Okay, I'll give you one example. Convert 5 3/9 into improper fractions. This is mixed fractions but convert into improper fractions. So first, multiply the First, I'll take this number 5 3/9. So, multiply the natural number by the denominators. First, multiply the natural number. This is natural number. This number is multiplied by denominator. Denominator means 9. Then add the numerator. Numerator means 3 to the product to get the new numerator. So first we multiply natural number by denominators. So for first 5 into 9, denominator is 9, then add into the numerator. So numerator is 3, so plus 3 upon 9. First we multiply 5 into 9 and then add 3. So 5 9s are 45. So I will write here 45 plus 3 upon 9. So 45 plus 3 is equal to 48 upon 9. Thus 5 3 upon 9 is equal to 48 upon 9. This is called improper fractions. Next, I'll give you one more example. Convert 9 upon 2 into n mixed fractions. So first we take 9 upon 2. Convert into mixed fractions. We divide numerator by the denominators. So numerator is 9 and denominator is 2. So we divide 2 divided by 9. So 2 fours are 8, then minus 9 minus 8, answer is 1. So we write the mixed fractions as the quotient plus remainder upon divisor. So where is quotient? This one. 4 is quotient, so I will write here first 4. Now plus, then remainder. Remainder is 1 and then divisor upon 2. So thus 9 upon 2 is equal to 4 plus 1 upon 2, which is equal to 4 1 by 2. This is called mixed fractions. I hope you will be understood. Thank you and have a nice day.